Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In the last video we had created this forum using the wpForo WordPress plugin, and in this video we'll take a look at some of the options that we have to customize this forum. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard, and we had looked at the forums tab over here, and this is where we can add, remove and edit the forums. And once you have done all that, you can go to settings, and there are a lot of things you can customize in this plugin. So let's get started by taking a look at some of the important ones. The first option we have over here is the forum title. So it already sets the forum title to the name of your website and adds forum after that. You can go ahead and change this title to whatever you want. So if I type community, and now if I update options, and let's refresh our page, now we can see it says Live Blogger Community. In the same way, we also have this forum description. So this is basically for the SEO. So if you just go ahead and right click over here and click on inspect, and if you go to the head tag, we can see that in meta description we have this content live discussion board. So this is basically for SEO, and then we have the forum base URL. So you can set the URL for your forum. So right now it is the name of our website /community. Now you can change this to whatever you want, but if you want to set the home page of your website as the forum, then you can create a page in your WordPress website and then add a shortcode for your forum. So if you go to this link, you can find a guide on how to do that. So you have to add this shortcode called wpForo. So let's go ahead and create a new page, and we'll just name it forum homepage, and then click on publish. Now here we will add the wpForo shortcode. So just click on this plus icon and search for shortcode, and here you can type wpForo and then click on update. Alright, now once you are done that, you have to set this page as the home page. So go to settings and click on reading, and instead of home test we will change this to forum homepage, and then click on save changes. Now let's go to our home page and see whether we have the forum working. And I think I forgot to add the square brackets. So let's go back to our page and then click on edit on forum homepage. Okay, so here we have to add the square brackets as well. Once you've done that, click on update, and now let's refresh our page, and here we can see our forum is being displayed on the home page. Now let's go back to forums and let's take a look at the other options. Now here we have forum page slugs. So these are the URL paths for different forum pages. So you can go ahead and edit these as well. And then you have dashboard menu position. So this is basically where the forums tab should be located. So right now it is being set as 23, which means it is below pages. So here we have pages and then we have forums. And this is regarding translations. So if you don't have any translations or anything on your website, then you can leave that as it is. Then let's go to the forums tab, and here we have a lot of options, like in extended layout, do we want to have the recent topics expanded or collapsed, and then we have the number of recent topics to be displayed and the recent topic length, and all these options over here. So you can go ahead and edit these and see the results. Now let's go to forum accesses. So here we can create new access and assign those accesses to different type of users. So we have no access, read-only access, standard access, moderator access and full access. So these can be set for different types of users. So if you go to user groups over here, we can see the different types of users. You can add a new user group over here and set a custom access to that. So let's go back to settings, and you can add a new forum access over here as well. So if you click on add new forum access, we have this list of permissions which we can select or deselect. For example, if you set it as can vote, then any user group with this access can only vote on the posts. So in this way we can create new accesses and add them to the user groups. Now let's go to topics and posts, and here also we can customize how the posts will be displayed. So the recent posts would be displayed expanded or collapsed, number of recent posts, and you can set the form type. So you can set it as text editor or visual editor, and you have a lot of room for customization over here. So just go to these options and change these according to your needs. Now let's go to members. First of all, we have the option of online status timeout. So this is basically how much time it will wait for checking the online status of a member. So wpForo won't check for the online status of a member every second. This can slow down your server and lower the performance of your website. So we can set an online status timeout over here. So with this setting, every 4 minutes it will check for the online status of the member and then update it accordingly. Then we have the number of members per page. You can set this as well. And then we have the member URL structure. You can display the URL of your member profile with user nice name or user ID. So you can select one of these. And then we have custom authorization URLs. So if you have some other plugins used along with the wpForo plugin, then you can change these URLs for wpForo to be compatible with that plugin. And then we have the options of redirection URLs. So once you are logged in or after registration, where should the user be taken to? And then we have the member reputation and titles. So here we can set a badge or a title for a member. So if a member has less than 5 posts, then we will have this badge over here, and the title will be new member. And if he has 5 or more posts, then we will set it as active member, and we will have this badge over here. So in this way we have till 5,000. So if the member has at least 5,000 posts, then we can call the member illustrious member, and we can set this badge for the member. So you can go ahead and change the names of these titles according to your website, and then you can enable or disable the member reputations for different user groups. Alright, now let's go to emails. So this is where we can customize the emails that we send to the members. So the from name will be liveblogger-forum, and we can have the from email. So you can set your custom email IDs over here, and here we have different email templates. So if someone subscribes to our forum or topic title, then we can send an email to that user. So here's the subject. We can change this to whatever we want, and then here is the message. We have hello, and we will have the name of the member automatically inserted over here. And just go ahead and customize these emails to your needs. So we have email templates for a lot of things, so just go through this and change it to your needs. Then let's go to features, and here we have a lot of different options. These are basic options. First of all, we have show the admin bar for members. So this black bar over here is the admin bar. So if someone is a member, he or she doesn't need to see this admin bar. But if you want them to see this admin bar, then you can set it as yes. And in this way we have a lot of options. So just go through this and customize your forum. And then we have styles. So this is where we can set the appearance of our forum. So first of all, we have the font sizes for forums, topics, and post content. Then we can even add custom CSS code over here. If you know some CSS, then you can take full advantage of this. And then here we have the forum color styles. So by default it is set as the blue theme, but you can select the other options over here as well. So let's select the red one, and let's click on update options. Let's go to our home page, and now we can see we have a red theme for our forum. Let's check how the dark theme looks. So just select dark and click on update options. So this is how the dark theme looks. Now we can go ahead and change these different colors individually. So here if you click on this color, then we can select a different color from here. If you want to know which colors are set for which element, then you can go to colors documentation, and here they have displayed color number 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. So you can go and find the color number you want from here and select and change the colors from here. So that's basically all about styles. Now let's go to APIs. Now here you can connect your social media accounts with wpForo. So you can enter your app ID for Facebook and app secret. These you can get from the developer accounts of the respective social media accounts. We also have the options of customizing the share buttons. We can even select the positions where the share buttons should be located. Right, now let's go to tools. Now here we have some options for spam control. So if you have this plugin installed on your WordPress website, then you can have advanced spam control. But by default we have some simple spam control, and we have some options over here which we can change. And then for the new registered users, we can have some different options, like we can set the post to be approved manually. You can also have the number of posts during which the user will be strictly monitored with the spam control. Then you can also specify which types of files should not be attached by the user. And then we have the option of adding the Google reCAPTCHA, and that's basically it for the anti-spam. Now let's open privacy and rules. So this is basically the privacy policy of your website. So you can change these options over here, and you also have this option to specify the URL of your terms page and the privacy policy page. And here you can copy and paste your privacy policy, or you can even make changes to this template. Here we have the forum rules. Alright, then we have the debug option. These are basically the details of the user. So if you select the user ID over here, then you can find the data of the user. Then we have miscellaneous. We can have some admin message over here on the forum front page, and we have some SEO tools over here. Now let's go to moderation. If a new user has posted something, then it will be sent here for approval. So as an admin, we can approve or disapprove the post. If you go to published, we can see all the published posts right here. We can even unapprove or delete the existing posts. Then we have members. So if you go to members, we can see all the members of our forum and even their basic details. Now we have already seen what we can do with the user groups. So we can add new user group and set the access to that. I have already shown you how this works. So let's go to the next one, phrases. So this is basically for the translation. So let's go to themes. This is the theme for wpForo. So you can go ahead and find the theme over here under wpForo/wpf themes directory, and then you can even make changes to this theme. Then we have add-ons. Now we can add more functionality to our wpForo forum using these add-ons. So you can buy these if you want and customize your forum even more. Alright, those were basically the customization options in wpForo. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.